Hello YouTube, this is Cousin Guns, and now we are going to overview and unbox these headphones from Maxell. This is a Bluetooth headphone, so you can use it with your smart devices, and it has got a built-in microphone, so you can use it as a headset too. You can use it wired too with a jack-to-jack cable, which is included in the box. Now let's see the specifications. Impedance 32 ohm, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, sensitivity 108 decibel, driver size is 40 mm, connectivity we have two options, Bluetooth 4.0 and 3.5 jack to jack, charging tension is 5 volts, battery life 5 hours. Of course, it depends how you use it, and our charging time is 2 hours. I tried a lot of headphones in the same price range, and its sound is much better than other branded devices in the same category. The sounds are nice, the bass is deep. Of course, it's not a pro device, but for this amount it is great, so I absolutely recommend you to buy this device. And now let's open this box. After we open the box, we can simply slide out our product. First, we will see a transparent bag. It contains our cables, our charging cable and our jack-to-jack cable. Then we will find a manual where we can see what we have on our headphones. Then we will find our headphones and a nice bag where we can hold it so we can save it from scratches and dust. The appearance is simple. We have a matte black color. We have nice pads on the speakers and on the top of the headphone. We can fold it so you can put it on your back while you're saving some space too. Now let's turn it on. We need to hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on, and on our smart device it will appear. We simply have to tap on the device's name to pair them. You don't need to give any code for it, just simply tap on it. After they connected, you can play your favorite song and enjoy it. On the headphone, a flashing blue LED will indicate that the headphone is connected to a device. So overall, this is the cheapest branded headphone out there, which sound is much better than other high branded headphones in the same price. I recommend it to you. This was our overview of the headphone. Hope you got what you came for. If you do, Help us with a like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye bye.